welcome back to Cityscapes Lesson 5. So first of all, in this lesson we're going to continue to work on our observational drawing. We're continuing the drawing that you started in Lesson 4. The idea of today is that you understand how to use line and shape successfully, and also to consider perspective in your work as you select a dynamic composition and continue to work on it. In last week's lesson, you chose a Edinburgh building to work from, and hopefully you have drawn the outlines on A4 paper. Remember, we're working portrait, which is having the paper up and down the way, and we are going to continue on today with adding some detail. So this activity should take you 50 minutes, but you can work longer on it if you want. Step 1. Find your piece of paper from last week with the outlines. You will also need a pen. Step 2, look closely at the image that you're working from, and now you're going to start to add as much detail as possible with your pen. So really look closely at the image, don't be making it up, always look back to your reference material when you're doing an observational drawing, and really take your time. So we've got a full 50 minutes to do this, so it's not a race to get through it. Step 3, continue with your detail. Look closely, especially at the brickwork and the windows. There is so much you can draw in terms of line in these areas of the building. In terms of submission, as always, please take a photograph of your practical work and upload it to this assignment on Teams. If you fancy doing some peer assessment, please post a picture of your work to the thread of this team so we can all have a look and give you some feedback. As always, if you have any questions, please post your questions on the thread of this team.